Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back in a series of lectures, Basics of Civil Engineering. In last session, we have discussed about the roads, okay, and various modes of the transportation. Also, we have seen differentiate between the landways, roadways, and airways. Okay, but in today's lecture, we are going to start next point, that is the classification of road. Okay, here classification of road depends upon the various things. Maybe in that first one is the IRC classification, Indian Road Congress. Okay, second one is what kind of material we are going to use. According to that also classifications are there. And third type is there. Okay, according to the area or what kind of road we are going to construct. Maybe in that we are considering expressways and bypass ways. Okay, so here firstly we are going to discuss about the classification of roads as per the IRC. IRC is nothing but the Indian Road Congress. Okay, this is established in 1934. Okay, it is an central semi-official body known as IRC, was formed in 1934 to provide national forum for regular pooling of experience and ideas of matters related to the construction and maintenance of the highways. Means त्यामध्ये काही एक समिती गठन केली होती. ओके, की ज्याच्यामधून ज्या काही एक्सपिरियन्सेस आहेत लोकांच्या, त्याच्या थ्रू आपण जे काय हायवेज वगैरे आहे त्याचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन असेल, मेंटेनन्स असेल किंवा प्लॅनिंग असेल, त्या गोष्टी याच्यामध्ये काय केल्या जातात तर बघितल्या जातात. ओके, and it is an active body controlling the specification, standardization, and recommendations on materials, design of roads and bridges. Means what should be the dimensions in a road structure, okay, according to the type of road. Then after that, what kind of material we have to use it for the road construction purpose, and what should its whatever material we are going to use, what should be its specifications and all those things. Okay, so on those things that IRC is controlling. Here by the IRC publishes various journals, research publications, standard specifications, guidelines. Okay, and it also provides a platform for expression of professional opinion on matters related to roads and road transport. Okay, so this was about the IRC, Indian Road Congress. Okay, here as per the IRC classification, various types of roads are there. In that, first one is the national highways, then state highways are there, then major district roads are there, then other district roads and village roads. Okay, 5 types of roads are there under the IRC classification. So here whatever classification of highways are there, depending upon the different aspects, maybe depending upon the weathering conditions. Okay, all weather roads or fair weather roads are there. Then after that, depending the type of carriageway, what type of course carriageway we are going to form, according to that, whether it is paved roads, that is nothing but the WBM, waterbound macadam. Okay, and unpaved roads, earth road or gravel road, म्हणजे जे काही आपला गावाकडचा खडीकरणाचा वगैरे रस्ता असतो बघा, की ज्याच्यावरती वेअरिंग कोर्स वगैरे आपण प्रोव्हाइड करत नाहीये. ओके, म्हणजे आपला कच्चा रस्ता अनपेव्ड रोड्स. ओके, देन depending upon the one minute. Depending upon the pavement surface. Okay, here whether it is surface roads or unsurfaced roads, maybe in that whatever surface roads are there, in that bituminous or cement concrete road, means what type of material we are going to use for the wearing course. Okay, means whatever top course is there, for that according to that also types are there. Okay, also based on the traffic volume, heavy traffic volume road, medium, light, these are the also different types are there, or classification is there of the highways. Okay, based on load or tonnage, means what type of vehicular traffic will be there. Okay, according to that also classification of roads are there. And here at below, IRC classifications are listed: national highways, state highways, major district road, other district road, and village road. So we will see one by one. Okay, these classifications are very important because of for MCQ examination or objective. In case of objective questions, they will ask national highways are connecting from which point to the which point, then state highways, village road, other district roads, and all those things. Okay, and what's the, it's a roadland width, carriageway width, and roadway width is there. Okay, so these things are very important, so you have to concentrate on these points. Under the IRC classification, first type of road is there, that is nothing but the national highways. In short, we can say NH also. Okay, national highway are the main highways running through the length and breadth of the India, connecting major parts. Foreign highways, capital of large states, and large industrial and tourist centers, including roads required for strategic movement for the defense of India. Okay, such type of road is nothing but the national highways. Okay, topmost class of the road is nothing but the national highway. Okay, and these national highways are connecting to the foreign highways, as well as whatever capitals are there of the various states. Okay, connecting to the capitals of the states. For that purpose, we go for the construction of the national highways, as well as for the strategic movements of the defense. Okay, for that also we can go for the planning, development, and construction of the national highways. Then the national highways have a total length of more than 1 lakh kilometers. Now it is more than that. Okay, Indian highways covers 2% of total road network of India and carry 40% of total traffic. Means whatever kind of traffic is there, maybe different types of modes are there. Okay, out of that, maximum traffic, vehicular traffic, will be on national highways and all those things. Okay, the highway connecting Delhi, Ambala, Amritsar is denoted as a national highway number 1, NH1, whereas the bifurcation of this highway, Bua and Jalandhar to Srinagar and Uri, is denoted by NH1A. Okay, means earlier it was up to Srinagar, but after bifurcation, of that road. They have given another name as a NH1A. Okay, in between Jalandhar to Uri. Okay, and Srinagar. Generally, whatever national highways are there, its road land width is kept in between 30 meter to 60 meter. In between 30 meter to 60 meter, road land width is there. Okay, road land width is nothing but the whatever land which is acquired for the construction of the road. Okay, that is nothing but the road land width. In that consist carriageway, that is nothing but the wearing course. Then after that, shoulders on both the sides, berms, then side slopes, drains are included. Okay, so whatever things are there, we are going to discuss one by one after finishing the IRC classification. Okay. Then whatever carriageway width is there, it should be of 7.5 meter minimum, and whatever roadway width is there, it is kept as a 12 meter. And in national highways, generally at least two lanes we have to provide. Okay, I think you know about the lane म्हणजे काय अरुंद रस्ता किंवा आपण काय म्हणूया एक लाईन जरी म्हटलं तरी चालेल रोडची. ओके, generally in a national highways at least two lanes should be contains. Okay, road land width 30 to 60 meter, carriageway width 7.5 meter, and roadway width should be minimum 12 meter. Okay, in that includes carriageway width plus shoulders on the either side. Okay, then after that, next type of highway is there, or road is there, that is nothing but the state highways. Okay, these are the arterial roads of a state connecting up with the national highways of adjacent states, district headquarters, and important cities within the state. Okay, generally whatever state highways are there, we are abbreviation we are using for that as a SH. Okay, state highway. And here these state highways are connecting the district headquarters and uh, adjacent states of the adjacent capitals of the states, as well as highways. Okay, here also for the state highways, uh, whatever road land width is there, we have to keep in between 30 to 60 meter. Then after that, carriageway width is there, it should be of 7.5 meter, and whatever roadway width is there, it should be of 12 meters. So similar to the national highways, we have to provide the road land width, carriageway width, and roadway width in a state highways also. Okay, here you have to just keep in your mind where these roads are connecting. Okay, means whatever two points are there or two places are there connecting to such a places, just you have to keep in your mind. Okay, and it's a road land width, carriageway width, and a roadway width. Then next type of road is there, that is nothing but the major district roads. Here major district roads are connecting uh, whatever production areas are there or marketplaces are there to the headquarters of districts. Okay, also these roads are connecting to the production area and market area to the major highways. Okay, means maybe whatever state highways are there or adjacent national highways are there, to connecting those roads we use the major district roads. Okay, and here road land width is kept in between 25 meter to 30 meter, carriageway width is kept as a 3.7 meter to 5 meter, and roadway width which is kept as a 9 meter for major district road, MDR. Okay, in short, MDR, major district road. Then other type of road is there, another type of road is there, that is nothing but the other district roads. Okay, these roads serving rural areas of production and providing them with outlet to market or other important roads like MDR or SH. Whatever other district roads are there, those roads are connecting to the whatever outlet market is there. Okay, uh, to the uh, major district road, state highways, the taluka places. Okay, for them, other district roads are connecting. Okay, generally, maximum speed is allowable speed is on the other district road is 50 to 60 kilometer per hours. Then after that, whatever road land width is there, which is kept as a 15 to 25 meter. Carriageway width is kept 3.75 meter, and roadway width is kept as a 7.5 meter. Here, whatever other district roads are there, maybe of a single lane, but whatever major district roads and state highways are there, okay, those may be of two lanes. Okay, generally, state highways we prefer the two lanes, and major district road also preferring we are preferring of two lanes, but sometimes one lane, single lane major districts will road will be there. Okay, then after that, next type of road is there, that is nothing but the village roads. Here they are roads connecting villages or group of villages with each other, means from one to connect the one village to another village for that purpose, or to the nearest road of higher category like ODR or MDR. For that purpose also village roads are constructed, and whatever village roads are there, construction, maintenance and development of the village roads are under the Jilla Parishad ZP. Okay, and whatever other types of roads are there, other district road, major district roads are there, those roads may be constructed by the PWD department, public work department. Okay, and here for village roads, road land width is kept in between 12 meter to 18 meter, and its carriageway width is kept 3.75 meter, and roadway width is kept as a 7.5 meter. Okay, generally whatever carriageway width is there for all the roads, minimum it is provided of a 3.75 meter. If single lane is there, then we have to go for the provision of the carriageway width as a 3.75 meter. If we go for the two lanes, okay, then it can be reduced also, means not by providing the two times of the single lane. Okay, in that case we can go for the reducing maybe 6 meter or 6.5 meter also. Okay, we can go for the provision. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय बघा, तर हे जे काही कॅरेज वे जो आहे, कॅरेज वे विड्थ कशाला म्हणायचं, की जो काही आपला डांबरी रस्ता असतो बघा, पूर्ण डांबर ज्या सरफेस वरती आपण टाकलेला असते, जेवढा काय सरफेस वरती आपण टाकतोय त्याला काय म्हणायचं, कॅरेज वे विड्थ म्हणायचं. ओके, मग त्याच्यामध्ये दोन लेन आहेत, सिंगल लेन आहे का डबल लेन आहे का चार लेन आहे का 6 लेन आहेत. ओके, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन दी requirement, vehicle traffic, okay, and need or purpose. For what purpose we are going to construct it, according to that its number of lanes are decided. जसं की आपला आता मोहोळ पंढरपूर रस्ता होता बघा, पूर्वीचा किती बाबा 2 लेन्स होता, स्टेट हायवे होता तो. ओके, परंतु आता काय झाले, पालखी मार्ग जो काय आहे, ओके, पालखी मार्ग म्हणून आपण काय केलं, तर तिथं 6 लेन कन्स्ट्रक्ट करतोय आपण तिथं. ओके, जिथं 2च लेन होतं तिथं आता 6 लेनचा रस्ता व्हायला लागलाय. ओके, एका साईडला 3 लेन, दुसऱ्या साईडला 3 लेन, असं 6 लेनचा रोड व्हायला लागलाय. ओके, तर ते काय होतंय, तर जशी आपली रिक्वायरमेंट जी आहे जशी चेंज होत जाईल तशा पद्धतीनं काय करायचंय आपल्याला प्लॅनिंगला जायला लागतंय. त्याच्यामध्ये जे काही स्टेट हायवेज आहेत मे बी ते नॅशनल हायवे मध्ये कन्वर्ट होते किंवा मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड किंवा अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड आहेत ते कधी कधी स्टेट हायवे मध्ये कन्वर्ट होते. ओके, सो these are the different types of roads are there under the IRC classification. किती आहेत बाबा? 5 आहेत. ओके, कुठले कुठले आहेत? नॅशनल हायवे, स्टेट हायवे, मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड, अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड अँड विलेज रोड्स. विलेज रोड कशासाठी वापरतोय आपण? जे काय विलेजेस आहेत ते एकमेकांना कनेक्ट करण्यासाठी किंवा अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड किंवा मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड जे आहे त्यांना कनेक्ट करण्यासाठी आपण विलेज टू त्या रोडला कनेक्ट करण्यासाठी विलेज रोडचा वापर करतोय. त्याच्यामध्ये काय तर रोडलँड विड्थ जे आहे ते आपण किती ठेवतोय? 12 मीटर टू 18 मीटर ठेवतोय. कॅरेज वे विड्थ जे आहे ते 3.75 मीटर ठेवतोय आणि रोडवे विड्थ जे आहे ते 7.5 मीटर ठेवतोय. ओके, जे काय नंतर पुन्हा ODR आहेत, अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड आहेत. ओके, तर हे अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड जे आहेत ते काय करतात? जे काही इम्पॉर्टंट मार्केट प्लेस वगैरे आहे. ओके, तर त्या मार्केट प्लेस टू नंतर पुन्हा आपलं जे काही तालुका प्लेसेस वगैरे आहेत किंवा जे काही मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड किंवा स्टेट हायवेज त्याला कनेक्ट करण्यासाठी अदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोडचा आपण वापर करतोय. आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये रोडलँड विड्थ जे आहे ती 15 ते 25 मीटर पर्यंत ठेवतोय. कॅरेज वे विड्थ जी आहे 3.75 मीटरची ठेवतोय आणि रोड वे विड्थ जी आहे ती 7.5 मीटरची ठेवतोय. ओके, then after that major district road. Okay, another thing I want to tell you that is whatever width of the vehicle is there. Okay, maximum width of the vehicle in India is kept as a 2.5 meter, not more than that. ओके, कुठलीही व्हेकल तुम्ही कुठल्याही कितीही मोठी गाडी कन्सिडर केली तर त्याची जी काही विड्थ असते ती 2.5 मीटर पेक्षा कमी किंवा 2.5 मीटर एवढीच असते. त्याच्यापेक्षा एक कुठलाही पार्ट त्या व्हेकलचा एक्स्ट्रा नसतोय, बाहेर नाही, इकडे किंवा इकडे जात नाहीये. ओके, सो बाय कन्सिडरिंग दॅट थिंग ओनली these road carriageway width and all those things are decided. Okay, major district roads are the very important roads. Okay, and these roads will increase the speed of development because of these roads connecting to the production areas to the or whatever market areas to the major highways. Okay, maybe state highway or national highways are there. To connecting them, major district roads are used. Okay, and its roadland width is kept to 25 meter to 30 meter, carriageway width kept 3.7 to 5 meter. In major district road we can go for the 2 lanes also. Okay, and roadway width 9 meter. State highways, here state highways are connecting to the district headquarters to the important cities as well as national highways. Okay, of this and capitals of the states also. And generally in that whatever road land width is there, we are going to provide as a in between 30 meter to 60 meter, and carriageway width 7.5 meter, and roadway width is 12 meter. And national highways, generally whatever national highways are there, these national highways uh, generally we are using for connecting the uh, capitals of large states. Then after that whatever large industrial areas are there or whatever tourist places are there, okay, to them, as well as whatever foreign highways are there, to connecting them we go for the construction of the national highways. And here roadland width is kept in between 30 meter to 60 meter, carriageway width is kept 7.5 meter, and roadway width is kept 12 meter. Okay, so this was about the IRC classification. After that we will go for the discussion of various terms in a road. Okay, geometric design of highways. You can see here how road is constructed. Okay, here before uh, finalizing the road or alignment of the road in between any two stations or two cities, okay, first we have to go for the survey. Okay, nowadays we are doing survey through the satellites by remote sensing method. Okay, and we are going to fix the alignment is nothing but the center line of the road, okay, or any project. And then after that we go for the construction of the work and all those things. Here whatever road is there, if we cut that road perpendicular to its length, okay, then you will get such kind of scenario. Here this is the road body, we can say, okay, which is constructed by using the or by providing the various layers one over the above and getting compacted it. So here different terms are there. First term is there, that is nothing but the carriageway or pavement. Okay, here हा जो काही काळा पट्टा दिसतोय तुम्हाला याला काय म्हणायचं, carriageway. This is the center point, or we can say center line is there of the road. Okay, from this point, from that point, at either sides we are going to provide the surface for vehicular traffic. Okay, that is nothing but the carriageway. हा जो आहे तो काय आपला कॅरेजवे, म्हणजे जेवढ्या आपल्या रस्त्यावरती आपण किंवा सरफेसवरती डांबर वगैरे हातरलेलं असते बघा, लेड केलेलं असते, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, कॅरेजवे. देन आफ्टर दॅट shoulder is there. Okay, this is the carriageway. Here you can see, and these are the shoulders, either sides shoulders are provided. Then after that side slope is there. Okay, after here shoulder side slope is provided here. Then after side slope berm is there. Okay, horizontal surface is get provided in between the outer edge of the side slope and inner edge of the berm, side drain, sorry, and this is the uh, side drain. Okay, so if we consider vertical central line, whatever things are there at the left hand side, mirror image will be there at right hand side. Okay, then here whatever we have discussed, some things, maybe a roadway, okay, sorry, carriageway. Okay, here this is the carriageway. At least we have to provide it at the 3.75 meter for single lane, and for double lane maybe up to minimum we have to go for the provision of the 5 meter. Okay, then after that whatever roadway width is there, another term we have discussed, that is the roadway width. Okay, roadway width, in roadway width whatever carriageway is there and part of both the sides of shoulders get included. Okay, then after that whatever road margin is there. Okay, next term is there, that is the road margin. In between road margin, here whatever road land boundary is there, and here extreme edge of the shoulder, whatever in between uh, space is there, that is nothing but the road margin, and in that contains the various things such as a side slope, berm, side drain. Okay, So here, whatever total space or strip we can say, which is acquired for the construction development of the road, okay, that is nothing but the road land width. And generally for national highways, state highways, we are going to provide it as a 30 to 60 meter. Okay, then after that you can see here another two dotted lines are provided at both the sides. One is a building line and the second one is the control line. Okay, here whatever building line is there, it refers to the residential buildings, and whatever control line is there, it refers to the public buildings. Means at side of the roads some margin is kept. Means in between that space we can't go for the construction of for building any kind of building. Okay, if we are going to construct the residential building, then we have to refer the building line. Means behind this building line any part of the structure should not be constructed. Okay, and here if we consider the public building, okay, then we have to prefer the control line. Okay, means in that case any part of the structure should not constructed beyond the control line. Here in case of control line, margin is kept more as compared to the building line because of vehicular traffic is more towards the public building. Okay, that's why margin of control line is kept more as compared to the building line. Okay, and whatever this margin is there, that margin which is provided uh, for safety purpose and all those things. Okay, ज्या वेळेस रात्रीच्या वेळेस गाड्या वगैरे चालवत असतात ड्रायव्हर्स, ओके, तर त्यावेळेस एखाद्या वेळेस दुखला वगैरे लागला तर त्यांची गाडी जी आहे ती रोडवरनं खाली उतरून वगैरे आपल्या घरावरती वगैरे येऊ नये त्यासाठी आपण काय करतोय तर सेफेस्ट डिस्टन्स असा म्हणून आपण काय करतोय तर तिथं ठेवतोय. किंवा जे काही एअर पोल्युशन वगैरे होणार आहे म्हणजे धुळीचे कण वगैरे उडणार आहेत तर ते उडलेले कण जे आहेत तिथे शटल डाऊन व्हावं थोडासा, त्यासाठी पण तिथं स्पेस मिळावा. म्हणजेच काय की बाबा जेणेकरून ते आपल्या डायरेक्ट घरामध्ये वगैरे आतमध्ये एंटर होणार नाहीयेत. तर त्यासाठी आपण काय करतो त्या प्रिकॉशन्स घेण्यासाठी किंवा टू अवॉइड द ऍक्सिडेंट्स, ओके, वी हॅव टू गो फॉर द प्रोव्हिजन ऑफ दिस मार्जिन. ओके, so here now we are going to discuss two things. In that first thing is there, that is nothing but the road in embankment, and second one is the road in cutting. When we have to say road is in embankment and when we have to say road is in cutting. So firstly we will discuss about the road in embankment. Whenever whatever top surface is there of the road which is at higher level as compared to the surrounding ground level, in that case we can say road is in embankment. Okay, रोड इज इन एम्बॅकमेंट कधी म्हणायचं की ज्या वेळेस रोडचा जो काही टॉप सरफेस आहे हा टॉप सरफेस सराउंडिंग ग्राउंड लेवल जी काय आहे सराउंडिंग ग्राउंड लेवल पेक्षा काय आहे उंच वठ्यावरती आहे. ओके, तर त्या केसमध्ये आपण काय म्हणतोय रोड इन एम्बॅकमेंट म्हणतोय. मीन्स इन दॅट केस वी हॅव टू गो फॉर दी फिलिंग of the road. Okay, means whatever road structure is there, in that road structure we have to go for the laying the various layers of different materials so that we will be able to raise the its top surface of the road as compared to the surrounding ground level. आपण कधी कधी रोड बघतोय बघा, इथं इथं बघितलं असेल तुम्हाला, इथं दिसेल. ओके, हा जो काही आपला सरफेस एरिया आहे, ओके, इथला कर्सर दिसतोय का रे तुम्हाला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हा जो काही सराउंडिंग साइडचा एरिया आहे त्याच्यापेक्षा हा रोड जो आहे हा रोडचा टॉप सरफेस जो आहे तो कसा आहे उंचावरती आहे, म्हणून आपण काय म्हणायचं त्याला रोड इन एम्बॅकमेंट म्हणायचं. ओके, हिअर a road, railway line or canal is normally raised onto an embankment made of compacted soil, typically clay or rock based. It depends. Okay. To avoid a change in level required by the terrain, the alternative being either to have an unacceptable change in level or detour of follow a contour. Okay. Here, why we have to go for the road in embankment? Why we have to rise its surface as compared to the surrounding ground level? Because of there will be uh, somewhere uh, high, some areas or some regions will be there where flood comes in a rainy season. Okay, or during rainy season at some portion water will get filled. Okay, so due to that any kind of disturbance should not be there for the vehicular traffic. Okay, so that's why we have to raise the what road body, okay, as compared to the surrounding ground level. So any kind of disturbance will not be there uh, for a vehicular traffic. For that purpose we have to go for road in a embankment. Okay, रोड इन एम्बॅकमेंट कशाला म्हणायचं? जर काही समजा आपल्या रोडचा जो काही टॉप सरफेस आहे हा सराउंडिंग ग्राउंड लेवल पेक्षा उंच वाट्यावरती असेल तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं? रोड इन एम्बॅकमेंट म्हणायचं, की जिथं आपण भरतोय, फिलिंग करतोय. ओके, while road is getting constructed. ओके, ज्यावेळेस रोडचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन काम चालू असते त्यावेळेस आपण काय करतोय बघा, की जिथं चढ असेल तिथं आपण काय करतोय, तो सरफेस जो आहे तो पण बोला की या गे एक मिनिट. So here we are discussing about the road in embankment. Okay, another thing is there, that is nothing but the road is in cutting. Okay, I think here road is in cutting. We have to go for in hilly areas, because of here we have to maintain the slope of the road. Okay, maximum slope we are going to provide as a 1 in 21 in a road. Okay, so more than that slope is not allowable. So uh, we have to go for the cutting some portion of the road, and that portion we have to get it filled wherever embankment is required. Okay, so आपण काय करू शकतो, ह्याच्यामध्ये जिथला पोर्शन जो आहे तो कट करायचा आहे, तो कट करून जिथं फिल खड्डा वगैरे आहे तिथं आपण काय करू शकतो, डंप करून तिथं रोड इन एम्बॅकमेंट करू शकतो, की जेणेकरून कटिंग आणि फिलिंगचा वापर करून आपण काय करतोय, तर ते जे काही रोडचं कन्स्ट्रक्शनचं काम आहे ते इकॉनॉमी जे आहे ते त्याच्यामध्ये साधण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. की लांबून आपण जर काही समजा मटेरियल एम्बॅकमेंट साठी वगैरे आणत असू तर ते अनइकॉनॉमिकल होईल. मग ते आपल्याला अवॉइड करण्यासाठी आपण काय करतोय, कटिंग फिलिंग मेथडला जातोय ज्यावेळेस आपला रोड कन्स्ट्रक्शन करतोय त्यावेळेस. ओके, हिअर road in cutting, whenever top surface of the road is at lower level as compared to the surrounding side level, then we can say it is a रोड इन कटिंग. ओके, आणि कधी जायला लागतं रोड इन कटिंगला? ज्यावेळेस रोड जो आहे तो आपला हिल्ली एरिया मधून पास होतोय त्यावेळेस आपल्याला रोड इन कटिंगला जायला लागतंय. ओके, म्हणजे जो काय आपला जी काय आपली स्ट्रीप आहे रोडची, ओके, ती रोडची स्ट्रीप जी आहे ती जिथून जाते तिथं काय करायचंय, आपला तिथला सरफेस जो आहे तो डाऊन करायचा असतोय. म्हणजे तिथं एक्सकव्हेशनला जायचं, म्हणजे तिथलं मटेरियल जे आहे ते रिमूव्ह करायचं आणि जिथं रिक्वायर्ड आहे तिथं आपण काय करतोय, तर नेऊन डंप करतोय. त्यावेळेस काय होतंय बघा, हा जो काय रोडचा सरफेस आहे, टॉप सरफेस आहे, हा सराउंडिंग ग्राउंड लेवल पेक्षा काय आहे, डाऊन आहे किंवा लोअर लेवलला आहे. ओके, दॅट्स वाय वी आर कॉलिंग एज अ रोड इन कटिंग. सम arrangement, whatever arrangement is there, that will get changed in a road in cutting as well as road in embankment. Okay, here you can see a road in embankment. whatever carriageway and shoulder is there, both the at both the sides of carriageway, we have to go for the provision of the shoulder. Whatever this portion is there, that is nothing but the formation width or roadway width. Okay. In a similar way, in a road in cutting also, you will found here carriageway plus both the sides shoulders we have to provide. Okay, and total part is there, it contains carriageway plus shoulder, that is nothing but the roadway width or formation width. Okay, but after that, here in road in embankment, we have to go for the provision of the side slope. Then after that, berm. Okay, at both the sides, and then after that, drain side drains we have to provide. But in road in cutting here, after shoulder only, we have to go for the provision of the side drains. Then after that, side slope is there, and then berm is there. Okay, and then after that, spoil bank is there. Okay, so this is the difference in between road in cutting and road in embankment. काय करतोय आपण बघा, रोड इन कटिंग मध्ये आपण काय करतोय तर साइड आपलं शोल्डर झालं की बरोबर लगेचच काय देतोय आपण तिथे बर्म देतोय, बरोबर आहे का नाही, तर साइड स्लोप देतोय. शोल्डर झालं की साइड स्लोप झालं की लगेच बर्म आणि साइड ड्रेन. परंतु ह्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, साइड ड्रेन रोड इन कटिंग मध्ये काय देतोय, साइड ड्रेन, स्लोप आणि बर्म. ओके, इथे लक्षात बघा, 1 2 3 हे जे काही सिक्वेन्स आहे ते नंतर 3 2 1. ओके, या पद्धतीने काय होतंय तर रोड इन कटिंग मध्ये चेंज होतंय. ओके, सो वी हॅव टू डिस्कस हिअर each and everything. Firstly, we will see here, first thing, right of way. Okay, here the first thing is there, or first term is there, that is nothing but the right of way. The area of the land acquired for construction and development of a road along the alignment is known as right of way. Okay, here whatever right of way is there, it is nothing but the road land width. Whatever road land width is there, that is nothing but the right of way. ह्यालाच आपण काय म्हणूया, right of way म्हणू शकतोय. Okay, means whatever land is acquired for the construction and development of the road along the alignment is nothing but the right of way or road land width. Okay, the width of this acquired land is known as land width also. Here that right of way depends on the various factors, means whatever right of way we are providing 30 meter to 60 meter, in between 30 meter to 60 meter for national highways, state highways. Okay, then after that for major district roads we are going to provide as a 25 to 30 meter and all those things. Okay, so that land width depends upon the various things. In that, first one is category of highway, roadway width and road margins. Okay, means what type of road is there, whether it is national highway, state highway, or any other type of road is there. Okay, then how much roadway width we are going to provide, it means whatever carriageway plus whatever shoulders width, shoulder width is there at either side of the carriageway. Okay, how much we are going to provide it, according to that it depends. Okay, and how much road margin we are going to provide. Whatever road margin is there, that road margin will be used for the expansion of the road in future. Okay, जसं जसं लागेल तशा पद्धतीने आपण काय करू शकतो, तर रोड जो आहे तो त्याचं विड्थ जी आहे ती एक्सपांड करतोय दोन्ही साइडला. ओके, देन आफ्टर दॅट हाईट ऑफ एम्बॅकमेंट and depth of cutting. Okay, here whatever right of way is there, it also depends on whether road is in embankment or cutting. Okay, and how much up to depth we are going to uh, go for the embankment and cutting. According to that also, it's a right of way will get changed. Okay, then after that, what kind of drainage facility or system we are going to provide, and its size also. Then after that, side distance on horizontal curves. Okay, I mean how much side distance we are going to provide. According to that also, its a right of way value will get changed, and reserve land for future widening. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
And here, for future widening purpose, how much space we are going to reserve. So these things will affect on the deciding the uh, size of the right of way. Okay, राईट ऑफ वे म्हणा, किंवा जे काय आपलं रोड लँड विड्थ आहे. ओके, त्याची जी काही विड्थ आहे ती डिपेंड ह्या सगळ्या फॅक्टरवरती राहते. ओके, so here standard values of land width or right of way recommended by IRC here, as per the Indian Road Congress, for different classification of roads. Maybe if we have national highways and state highways, for that basically uh, the road land width is there, we have to provide in between 30 meter to 60 meter, but whatever normal range is there, it is 45 meter. We are preferring 45 meter. Okay, in a plain area and mountainous area, or whatever wherever hilly area is there, in that case generally it is kept as a 24 meter. If we have major district roads, then uh, its road land width is kept as a 25 meter. Okay, and it varies in between 25 to 30 meter, and its uh, width is kept as a 18 meter whenever mountainous or steep area is there. And for other district road, which is kept as a 15 meter in a normal cases. Okay, means it varies from 15 to 25 meter, and in mountain or hilly areas wherever steep slope is there, in that case we have to go for the provision of the 15 meter. Okay, so these are the some standard values are there provided by the or recommended by the IRC, Indian Road Congress. Okay, then after that, standard values of roadway width recommended by IRC. Okay, here whatever roadway width is there, roadway width is nothing but here you can see roadway width or formation width is there. It contains carriageway plus shoulders on either side. Whatever carriageway is there, that carriageway is nothing but the we can say whatever top surface is there, uh, top surface of the road is there, that is nothing but the wearing course. Okay, and that wearing course we can construct by using the bitumen, म्हणजेच काय आपलं डांबर, or sometimes we can go for the tar material also, similar like bitumen. One kind of material is there, that also we are using for the construction of the topmost surface of the road. And sometimes might be you have seen cement concrete material we are going to use for the construction of the carriageway. Okay, and here whatever carriageway is there, to keep in its position, or to provide support, we have to go for the provision of the shoulders. Okay, आपलं म्हणजे शोल्डर काय करते बघा, हे जे आपलं केस आहेत, आपण हे काय म्हणणार डोक्याचं इथं, हा जो आहे तो कॅरेज वे आहे, त्याच्या साईडला हे इथं थोडस लेवलला आहे, काहीतरी कन्सिडर करूया आपण. हे आपले शोल्डर्स आहेत. ओके, शोल्डरच्या नंतर काय बघा पुन्हा लगेचच इथं ड्रेन आहे, साईड ड्रेन आहे. कशामध्ये साईड ड्रेन आहे हे, तर आपल्या कटिंग मध्ये आहे साईड ड्रेन, परंतु इथं एम्बॅकमेंट मध्ये काय साईड स्लोप आहे. ओके, जर का तुम्ही इथं बघितलं या पद्धतीनं, ओके, तर आपण काय करू शकतो, या पद्धतीने करू शकतो. हा जो आहे तो आपला कॅरेज वे, शोल्डर, स्लोप, स्लोपच्या आफ्टर बर्म. ओके, आफ्टर प्रोव्हाइडिंग द स्लोप, okay, you can see here side drain. This is the side drain. This type of structure is there. Okay, carriageway, shoulder, slope, berm, side drain. If you understand, kind of structure will be there at both the sides. Okay, and if we see road in cutting, then in that case carriageway, shoulder, then here you can see uh, drain. Okay, side drain, this is the side drain. Here you can see side drain, then after that side slope and berm. Okay, this is the berm, and then after that berm, spoil bank is there. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind these things. Okay, one after other. So here after right of way, we are going to discuss about the roadway width. Here whatever roadway width is there, that roadway width is nothing but it is the total land width of the road. It contains carriageway plus shoulders at either sides. Okay, that is nothing but the roadway width. Okay, and here according to the classification of the road, and single lane and two lane, some widths are recommended by the IRC. Here, if we have national highways and state highways, for single lane, which is kept as a 12 meter. You also, if we have two lanes, then also it is kept as a 12 meter. You can see here in a plain areas or rolling areas, and in mountainous areas or steep areas, which is kept as a 6.25 meter for single lane, and for two lane it is kept as a 8.80 meter. Okay. Then for major district roads, for single lane or two lanes, which is kept as a 9 meter. Okay, road land width is kept as a 9 meter, and in a mountainous area, which is kept as a 4.75 meter. Then for other district roads, for single lane, which is kept as a 7.5 meter in a plain and rolling areas, and in a mountainous area, it is kept as a 4.75 meter. And for two lanes, which is kept as a 9 meter in a plain area, and in a mountainous or hilly area, 4.75 meter, which is kept. Okay, so this was about the roadway width. Okay, okay, I think our time is over. Okay, so whatever remaining part is there, we will see in next session. So
Sir?
हा बोला.
युनिट 1 वर MCQ तर घ्या ना.
दिलेत की सगळे बाळांना तुम्हाला? काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का त्याच्यामध्ये?
सर प्रॉब्लेम नाही पण
डिस्कस करायचे का? उद्या करूया का आपण डिस्कस सगळे?
यस सर.
ह्याच्यामध्ये काय बघा, आपला सिलेबस जो आहे तो पूर्ण युनिटचा संपलेला नाही. युनिट नंबर 1 संपलेला नाही आपला. हा, त्याच्यामुळं सगळे आपण डिस्कस करूया, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आपल्याला, डिस्कस करूया आपण. परंतु ह्या ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत, ह्या गोष्टी जर काही तुम्हाला समजल्या, तर MCQ लय लवकर समजतील तुम्हाला. येते का लक्षात बघा?
येस सर.
हा, तुमची किती 27 ला आहे ना आपला पेपर?
येस सर.
येस सर.
उद्या एक आहे, परवा एक आहे, म्हणजे उद्याच्या दिवसात आपला हा सिलेबस जो आहे तो आपला संपून जाईल बऱ्यापैकी. युनिट नंबर 1 चा.
26 ला सुट्टी आहे का सर कॉलेजला?
हा, सुट्टी असणार. 26 ला सुट्टी असेल मे बी.
म्हणजे उद्या एकच दिवस आहे.
संपलंय.